I'm Brian Burke, Woodie's garden and DIY expert. A great way to brighten a dull fence or a dull wall is with a bit of customised trellis. Today I'm going to bring you through the steps involved in doing it. Here's what you'll need. So that's the horizontal trellis project done, a dual purpose project that brightens up a dull wall or a dull fence. It also provides a great climbing frame for clematis, wisteria, honeysuckle. It can be painted any kind of vibrant colour you want. Great, easy weekend project, job done.